Health and fitness AI-powered apps and wearables. AI has made significant strides in the health and fitness industry, particularly through apps and wearable devices that monitor your activity, provide personalized workout plans, and even track your sleep patterns. Devices like Fitbit, Apple Watch, and health apps like MyFitnessPal use AI to analyze your data and offer insights that help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. These tools are designed to adapt to your personal goals, whether it's losing weight, improving your sleep quality, or training for a marathon. For example, wearable fitness trackers use AI to monitor your heart rate, steps taken, calories burned, and even your sleep cycles. This data is then processed to provide you with personalized recommendations on how to improve your fitness routine or adjust your lifestyle. AI-powered apps can also create customized workout plans based on your fitness level, goals, and progress, ensuring that you're always challenged and motivated to reach your targets. In addition to fitness, AI is also making healthcare more accessible through telemedicine and diagnostic tools. AI-driven apps can analyze symptoms, provide medical advice, and even suggest treatments, making it easier for users to manage their health from the comfort of their homes. By leveraging AI in health and fitness, these tools offer a more personalized and effective approach to wellness, empowering individuals to take control of their health in ways that were previously unimaginable.